In this video, we will be seeing a very simple C++ program where we are going to calculate the sum of natural numbers using a loop. So we will be using a for loop to find out the sum of natural numbers in a C++ program. So I will be starting the C++ program with hash include IOStream. So I will be adding the IOStream class, and then I will be using the namespace as standard namespace in which IOStream is present, and then I will be starting the program with int main, which is starting point of execution. Now in the program, I'm going to declare variables of type integer, like I will be taking a n variable, and to hold the sum of it, I will be using sum variable, for which I will be taking initial value as 0. And then let's give to the user a message to enter a positive integer or a value for n. Enter value for n. So when the user enters, let's take it using cin. Let's take the input using cin and assign it to n. Now we will be using the for loop, in which we will be taking a variable I, for which we will be giving initial value 1, and then we will be keeping a condition I less than equal to n. So whatever user is entering the n value, we will be every time checking if I is less than n, and the initial value of I is taken as 1. And then for every cycle, I value will be incremented by 1. Next, we will be starting the for loop. Within the loop, what we will be doing is, as we have taken here the sum variable with initial value 0, to the sum variable, we will be assigning the value sum plus I. So for that, here I am using assignment operator plus equal to, which is nothing but sum equal to sum plus I. So this will do the same thing. So when we are using plus equal to, it is same as sum equal to sum plus I. So 0 plus I value, that is 1. So for the first time, sum will be 1, and then by incrementing till it is n less than n, we will be adding each number. So we will be finding the sum of n natural numbers. N is here given by the user. So till the value n, we will be calculating the sum, and then we will be printing the sum after coming out of the loop using the cout. And sum is, and again we can use insertion operator and the sum variable. So first I'm going to compile it. So here we got some, okay, here we did not give the extraction operator properly. So first compile it to check any error. So there are no errors or warnings. And then when we run it, it will ask enter value for n. So if I give 5, sum is 15. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus till 4, it will be adding till 5. So till it is less than or equal to 5, it will be adding from starting from 1 till 5, it will add and give you the sum. Now let's execute it again with a different value. So value 15 I'm giving. So sum is 120. So it will be adding all the numbers from starting from 1 till 15. So it will not add a till 14, but it will add till 15, because here we have taken the condition as less than or equal to. So this way, in a very simple way, we can add all the natural numbers till the given value by user. So thank you for watching the video, and for more C++ programs, please do subscribe the channel.